Telegram has become one of the most widely used messaging platforms in the world. In 2026, cybersecurity researchers continue to monitor how attackers misuse automation, scraping systems, phishing operations, and other abusive techniques on messaging platforms. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. The internet tool names discussed in this video are covered strictly for cybersecurity awareness, education, and defensive learning purposes. Let's start with Telegram scrapers. Telegram scraping tools are designed to collect publicly available information from groups, channels, and profiles. These tools can gather usernames, profile descriptions, public account information, and other accessible data at scale. While the information may already be public, large-scale aggregation can create significant privacy concerns by making it easier to build detailed profiles of users across multiple communities. Next are Telegram group member adders. These tools automate the process of adding users to groups and channels. Instead of relying on organic growth, operators use automation to expand communities rapidly by targeting large numbers of accounts. This practice can expose users to unwanted communication, spam campaigns, and potentially deceptive content. It also highlights how automation can be misused to bypass normal community building processes. Moving on to Telegram bot exploiters. Telegram bots provide useful functionality for businesses, communities, and developers. However, poorly configured bots can introduce security risks. Attackers often look for weak permissions, insecure configurations, or exposed functionality that can be abused. These situations demonstrate the importance of reviewing bot permissions regularly and following secure management practices when deploying automated services. Next are Telegram phishing page generators. Phishing remains one of the most common threats across the internet, and Telegram is no exception. Attackers create fake login pages that imitate legitimate Telegram authentication portals in an attempt to steal credentials. These pages are often distributed through messages, links, social engineering campaigns, and deceptive communications designed to trick users into revealing sensitive account information. Next are Telegram spam bots. Automation allows attackers to distribute massive numbers of messages within short periods of time. Spam bots are commonly used to spread advertisements, scams, fraudulent offers, and malicious links. Operators frequently attempt to bypass platform protections by rotating accounts, modifying message content, and using various evasion techniques. These campaigns demonstrate how automation can support large-scale abuse operations. Now let's look at channel cloning. Channel cloning involves creating fake communities that imitate legitimate Telegram channels. Attackers often replicate branding, profile images, names, descriptions, and content in order to appear authentic. These cloned channels may be used to spread misinformation, conduct scams, distribute malicious links, or build deceptive communities that exploit trust associated with well-known brands or organizations. Next is Telegram account checking. Account checking and enumeration tools are used to identify whether phone numbers are associated with Telegram accounts. While such capabilities may appear simple, they can support larger spam, social engineering, and phishing operations by helping attackers identify potential targets. Moving on to Telegram file grabbers. Groups and channels often contain large volumes of shared content. File collection tools automate the process of monitoring and downloading publicly shared files from communities. While researchers may use such tools for analysis and monitoring, they also demonstrate the risks of uploading sensitive information to public spaces. Finally, let's discuss Telegram API abuse. Telegram's API provides powerful capabilities that allow developers to build applications, bots, and automation systems. Unfortunately, the same functionality can also be abused for large-scale scraping, automated messaging, spam distribution, and other unwanted activities. Taken together, these examples demonstrate how automation and messaging technologies can be leveraged in both beneficial and harmful ways. Stay aware, protect your privacy, and use cybersecurity knowledge responsibly. Ethical and informed users are the strongest defense against evolving online threats.